That's how we do Popeye, baby.
Oh, I need some cereal before I get this shit.
Dumbass. Hey, that's why I only eat my chicken when I cook.
This how we do Popeye. 2016. We get our shit how we done, baby. We getting our shit how we done. This what we serve customers. my nigga Mike, he on his chicken, going hard. Look at him, he getting it.
Just don't tell me what Popeye is.
Hell nah.
I'm moving the chicken like I'm moving worse.
This nigga getting his money. Look.
We ain't even halfway finished,
this our dishwasher. You know she going hard. She got her dishes.
You know what I'm talking about?
She got her dishes.
You know what I'm talking about? Representing that 21 11 how you know what I'm talking about?
Appreciate that.
Real shit all day. Heavy, not small pay. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. It is what it is.
Yeah. So this how we get.
You know what I'm talking about?
So this is what we do every day.
Yeah.
Every day. On Tuesdays. Just on Tuesdays. That's her shit.
I'm a 3,300.
What you got to say about this here, Kira?
Go down the next time, baby.
We go down to Popeye.
I thought we was on Snapchat.
No. We finna head to the front right quick. See all them customers up there? All them customers up there now. Look. Back. We flipping chicken.
You know that? Flipping chicken all over the motherfucking ground.
Look at that.
These motherfuckers, y'all don't come over here eating them goddamn things, these motherfuckers. You know what I'm talking about? Homestead breast shot. These niggas got chicken on the motherfucking floor. You hear me? On the floor. Batter on the motherfucking floor. You hear me? Man, y'all don't eat this shit, man. 2-piece Tuesday, go have your 2-piece ass in the motherfucking hospital, man. Real nigga shit.
So, look, bam. We got the chicken on the floor. Flour right there.
Niggas on the floor. All this shit on the floor. How you gonna have this shit here about the chicken, man?
Hold up.
Y'all going down.
Let me see the name, mother. Let me see the name.
Greaser.
This say, hold on, let me turn around. This old shit, this the greaser. Yeah, damn. Look at this chicken here, boy. Look at this chicken. Get it? We getting our shit. We getting our shit how we live now. On Tuesday, we getting our shit how we live now. So this is what time is it now? What time is it? This 9 o'clock news. So I'll holler at y'all later. Bye.